Oh, okay.
That's a whoa.
Yeah.
What the heck? Why?
360.
Oh, it's 360?
Yeah.
Don't get the backside. The backside's not my best.
Oh, okay.
I'm never gonna get my next one. You're gonna go all the way down.
Oh, down. Oh, okay. Ah. Oh, right in already. You're number 5. Number 1. Okay.
Hey Magic Carpet Riders, this is Aladdin. To make sure your Magic Carpet ride is a safe one, I want to remind you to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened nice and tight throughout your flight. And hey everybody, make sure you keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and be sure to watch your kids. Or as Genie likes to say,
para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de los bordes de la alfombra. Cuide a sus pequeñitos.
Now, if you want to make your carpet fly higher or lower, riders in the front row should push up or pull down on the lever. And to make the carpet tip forward or back, riders in the back row should press that magic scarab. Everyone ready? Then let's fly to Agrabah! Until your magic carpet comes to a complete stop, then walk to the nearest exit. Hope you had a magical ride. See you soon!
That one. Okay. Okay, next up, please.